Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Facebook notifications not working. So let's just get straight into the video. To fix your Facebook notification not working, first what you want to do is check your app-specific notification settings in your application. So simply open your settings, scroll all the way down to applications, and scroll all the way down until you find Facebook. Once you've done that, go to your notification settings right here and make sure that all of this is turned on, even your lock screen notification center and banners, also everything down below here. Then you'll have this button called Facebook notification setting, which will take you to the in-app notification settings. And of course, here as well, you need to enable everything. Just let it load up for a bit. Once you've already done that and verified everything is turned on, the other thing you want to do is open your settings and you want to simply go ahead and head into your general settings. In order to go ahead and do so, simply scroll down, click on general, and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.